2018 Buick Cascada. With less than 11,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, heated rear seats, HID headlights, power driver seat, power passenger seat, convertible soft top. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.